It's a 2009 Acura TSX. This TSX is a case study in luxury, agility, and sportiness. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2 inch wider track. Acura believes if there is a better way, take it. That philosophy shines through in this vehicle. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.